Hey there everyone, and welcome to a new series of programming tutorials on the Future Programmer YouTube channel. In this course, you'll learn about Streamlit, a software framework in Python which also happens to be one of my favorites. In this introductory video, I'll talk about what Streamlit is, when to use it, and why you should use it. So without further ado, let's begin. To start off, what is Streamlit? Well, Streamlit is an open-source software framework in the Python programming language. It is used to design data-oriented web applications with very few lines of code. Designed for data scientists and machine learning engineers, Streamlit apps can be created entirely using Python with very straightforward syntax. This line right here, copied from the official website of Streamlit, sums up some of the key advantages of using Streamlit to create data-oriented web apps. Streamlit turns data scripts into shareable web apps in minutes, all in pure Python, no front-end experience required. Now let's take a look at the official website of Streamlit, streamlit.io. As you can see in this video animation right here, Streamlit makes the creation of web applications very simple. From a simple Hello World application that you see right here to a more complex data app using machine learning model to predict sales, Streamlit makes it very easy to create web applications, and you can also add input widgets such as this slider right here to allow users to input values. Lastly, we could deploy applications through Streamlit's community cloud and share our applications with the rest of the world. Feel free to scroll through the rest of this website to learn more about Streamlit, or you can visit the documentation page up on the navigation bar to learn more about the documentation of Streamlit. Now let's go back to talking about when Streamlit can be used. Since Streamlit was created for the development of data-driven web applications, many of its most common uses are related to data. Of course though, with its simple scripting and deployment processes, Streamlit can also be used to create all sorts of other types of web applications. Firstly, data visualization. Using Streamlit, we can use charts, graphs, and maps to create interactive visualizations that allow users to explore complex data efficiently. For machine learning, we can create demos, predictions, and testing to deploy machine learning models with very user-friendly interfaces. Next, using dashboards in Streamlit, we can present metrics, insights, and reports to display important information all in one place. And then, of course, we can create all types of other web applications using Streamlit that don't necessarily relate to data. There really is no limitation of what Streamlit can do in creating web applications. To wrap up this video, let's talk about why you should use Streamlit. Streamlit provides an incredible way to create interactive, visually appealing, and powerful web applications. And here are just a few reasons why you should learn and use Streamlit. First of all, for its simplicity. Streamlit code is incredibly intuitive, as you'll learn in future videos of this course. Simple applications take only minutes and a few lines to make in Streamlit. Next, we got Python. You don't need HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any of the other front-end web application technologies that you ordinarily would need for creating web applications. In Streamlit apps, Python is all you need. Compatibility. With integration with popular data science libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and more, you can seamlessly integrate data science technologies into your web applications. For functionalities, from input widgets to media elements, Streamlit offers all the functionalities that you need for data applications. Lastly, deployment. Streamlit Community Cloud allows free deployment that usually takes less than 5 minutes, so you can share your apps with the rest of the world. I hope this video got you excited to learn about Streamlit and design applications using this incredible package. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. And if you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing down below to the Future Programmer YouTube channel. With that said, thank you very much for watching this tutorial on Streamlit, and I hope to see you on more videos about programming and data science.